children, I am Anindita Datta, your Anindita ma'am, and I am back with your class 4 mathematics video. Now my today's video is connected with the lesson plan of 28th of July, and today my topic is multiplication word problem. One more thing children, you will be able to see this video after 48 hours of receiving your lesson plan. Now children, for so many days I have taught you multiplication. I have taught you multiplying a number by a 2-digit number, multiplying a number by a 3-digit number. Now today we are going to solve some word problems on multiplication. So let's get started. Now children, don't get scared of the words problems. Yes, word problems are actually not problems if you can handle them, tackle them carefully and properly, right? There are 3 basic steps by which we can solve any word problem, not only multiplication word problem, but any word problem. What are those basic steps? Let me write down. Number 1, you have to read the given informations thoroughly and carefully. That means the informations that has already been provided to you in the question, you have to read them repeatedly, carefully and thoroughly, right? Number 2, you have to read the question. That means your second step is you have to read the question. What has been asked? What has been wanted from you, right? What answer is being expected? And number 3, this is the most vital step, which is strategize. Now, what is this step all about? This means you have to look for ways, you have to look for tools with the help of which you will be getting your answer. You will reach your goal, you will get the desired answer that has been asked from you, right? So, following these 3 basic steps, I'll show you how to solve a word problem from your book, multiplication word problem from your book, page number 96, exercise 6C, sum number 4, I'll be doing. Now, what is the first basic step? It is read the given informations. So, first of all, let me read out the sum. A theatre has 120 rows of seats with 24 seats in each row, right? How many seats are there in the theatre? Now first step is we have to look for informations. What informations are given to you? So I'm writing the given informations, right? The keywords. The key informations given are there are 120 rows in a theatre and 24 seats in each row. Each means 1, right? I can represent this with the help of a diagram. I can show you, right? Suppose these are the rows of seats in the theatre. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row and so on up to 120, right? Because total number of rows 120 rows, and in each row there are 24 seats. Like this there are 24 seats. In the first row there are 24 seats. In the second row there are 24 seats. In the third row there are 24 seats. In the fourth row, 24 seats. Fifth row, 24 seats. 6, 7, 8 till 120th row, there are 24 seats in each row. Yes? Now, what we have to find out is that total number of seats in the theatre. That means in all of these rows, the total number of seats. So what we can do, this is the third basic step as I have told you earlier, that you have to strategize. You have to find 4 ways how you can solve this up. One thing we can do, children, we can add them up, right? Number of seats in first row plus number of seats in second row plus number of seats in third row. So we go on adding 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24. How many times are we going to add? We are going to add 120 times 24 seats, right? This English word times I am going to replace with a mathematical symbol. I hope you all can identify this symbol. It is multiplication symbol, right? This is multiply. That means we have to multiply 120 by 24, which will give us the final answer. Now, one of the most important thing for solving your word problems is that, children, you have to write proper statement, right? Because statements carry marks. So, with proper statement, now let us do the sum. Number of seats in each row is 24. Therefore, number of seats in 120 rows. What to do? I have already told you. It's 120 times 24, right? So, let us do the sum. I have taught you multiplication earlier, so you can do it very comfortably. 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. Now, 120 has to be multiplied by 2 tens. So, there is a 0. 2 tens means 20. So, this 0 I am putting here. Now, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. So, we have done. Now, we have to add 0, 8, 8 and 2. Now, we have completed our sum, children. But another important thing, you have to keep it in mind that always you have to answer in a sentence. What problems? You have to always write the answer in a sentence, and that also in accordance with your question. What question has been asked to you, right? Here, what was the question? The question was, how many seats are there in the theatre? So, I'll write my answer. There are 2,886 in the theatre. Hope you all can see. So, I have completed my sum. Hope all of you have understood the process. You will follow this process and try the word problems from your book. This is all for today, and meet you in the next video.